Now we'll talk about the CRM ecosystem. Basically, the CRM ecosystem made up of three major groups. Number one, we have our CRM solution providers, hardware and infrastructure vendors, and service providers. So, if you have a look here in the board, so you will see CRM ecosystem, basically CRM ecosystem, and we have CRM service provider. Service provider to provide the service. Similarly, we have CRM solutions and CRM infrastructure, hardware and infrastructure. And infrastructure. So, of course, in the previous time, we have a different kind of hardware needed for installing such kind of software and software to work on the CRM system, infrastructure, CRM system. But after passing day by day, when technology become more advanced, so we have a different kind of applications of the system available here. So we have a different kind of website application, and everything is going on the website application. So customer or the vendor, we can say, or the organization, the customer or the vendor, even the customer has facilities to, they no need to download or install the different kind of hardware infrastructure. They directly go to the website, just sign up and start working using the best CRM system and communicating with your organizations and telling and communicating about your product and services and experiences, whether you want to complain, you want to order, you want to do a new order and get some kind of marketing promotion and have some kind of discount like things. So all the communication nowadays rely on the hashtag system, you can say the website, and there is a lot of demand of the website developers and website development, and these businesses going very fast and very huge, and it has perfect result because minimum expense and you are doing a well services, just you need a internet connection. So this is the impact, we can say, the penetration of the technology and how this CRM from a small things to become a big thing, and now it is providing a total enterprise solution, not only just focusing on the three departments, sales, marketing and services, but also it is also involved in productions, finance, and different other departments of the organization. It depends upon the organization, how many kinds of departments they interlink, make a different system. They are using the ERP, SAP, and Oracle different, and they are also demanding new features in their CRM system so that they can easily work, progress, and finalize each and everything, and also contact with the customers. So here, the CRM development, you can say those organizations, the software organizations, they are making a CRM system for the companies and enterprises. They provide basically solution for enterprise solutions. So we have here three kinds of ecosystem here: CRM service provider, CRM hardware infrastructure, and CRM, you can say